Currently down in the boiler room area of the Sanctuary of the Strange. When me and Austin came down here before we set up, we just wanted to feel it out down here. And we heard a man audibly say hi from this corner over here, where we have a laser grid set up because the lasers are red and I'm filming in red. You can't see though. If I turn this off, you can. Oh. And the music box keeps going off here and there. Don't know if that's just it having a problem or if it's sensing something down there. And I'll just blind Austin.
Can you give us a sign if you're down here? Can you set that off for longer if that's you? Okay.
Yeah, I was just about to tell you that I feel weird all of a sudden.
All right. I heard something back there too. Can you back away from that and stop making it go off, please? Can you stop making that go off, please?
You did it for a good amount of time.
Showing there's something there too. What about in toilets on the laser grid?
There's something colder.
Solid blue. It's not moving at all. It's not even fluctuating. What if we turn the laser that way?
Does it have to recalibrate?
Yeah.
I mean, you could. It's like blue and it's pointing right in that corner. I don't know if you noticed that dot is pointing right in the corner you've been staring at.
Where that EM pump was going on.
I don't hear the EM pump anymore.
You sitting on the toilet? Golden drone.
It's one still, but one side might be out possibly.
Thing froze?
Looks like it did. Calibrate it down there. I mean, it's kind of weird for that thing to still be going off.
crazy. This thing was acting like it was dead.
Huh.
It's plugged into a battery bank.
Does the brick have power? Or is it fully charged or charged? Or?
Should be.
There you go. You got brighter now.
To 4 bars.
Yeah, you might want to set that music by track like that. I don't know why it's just going. There's something big and warm down the hallway. Man, something got it to go off and then just... I don't know, man. It's picking up on something down there. Music box has a mind of its own. Although we did tell it to make it go off longer, and like almost right as we said it did. So, yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I don't know why it went dead. The laser grid went dead.
It's still on though, right? Like
It's on now.
Alright.
It's like the battery bank wasn't charging it or something. Those things go dead very quickly.
Is it one of those things where like the device will drain faster than the battery bank can charge it? Type deals?
No,
Like,
I mean, you've seen how fast it went dead. I just started using it tonight. I charged it before I left the house.
Jesus. Yeah, like I didn't know.
It was plugged into a battery bank too.
I mean, I'm sure you've had that device like you plug in a battery bank and the device still drains faster than your battery bank will charge it. I don't know. I don't know how powerful the battery bank is.
It's working now. I've had that thing running for hours on the battery bank before.
Yeah, that's going to be a pretty handy device up there, I feel, for sure. Up and down the hallways.
It's not picking up on anything now.
I mean, they're not like long hallways like Forest Haven, but pretty decent hallways. You know, it's not a lot of places you go that have like long stretches of hallway. If you want to come in and talk to us, feel free. We heard you earlier say hi. My name is Paul. This is Austin. And we come here just to talk to you. or a friend of Mike's. Don't know if you like Mike or not. We heard that you're a little angry or upset about something. So we would love to know what you're upset about.
Is this Matt? Could you set one of these devices off if your name is Matt? Make a noise.
Can you bang on something?
Is this not Matt? Is this someone else? Is that you?
What?
I heard something back there.
Oh, something back there wouldn't be me.
Well, I don't know if it came from there or it came from your direction. I can't tell. It was somewhere in that area. That general area.
I thought it was just sitting there.
Heard it again, so they come from way back there behind the wall. Is that your hiding spot? You like it back there where nobody bothers you?
Hey, there you go. I don't know. Were you like a maintenance man for the church? Kept this place up and running?
Or did something else happen to you down here?
Did you get into a fight?
Car, I think.
I think it's wind. Still going. On a dead end road, there really wouldn't be no car running. Well, you want to try the Estes? Let's see. And ask these questions while you're doing that.
Yeah, we could do that.
See what we can get. There is a. I noticed it before. I didn't think there were blue dots on the screen a little while ago. I go, oh, yeah.
It's picking up on something all the way down at the end of the hallway, probably by that other door.
If you're down there at the end, come in here and talk to us. Don't be afraid. Austin's about to put the headphones on. And you can come down and talk through him. Yeah, like out of nowhere, like the blue dots just started showing up. Do the actual dots like mean it's picking something up, or is it just moving
Means in
around?
that section it's slightly colder.
But it's more so the top lights that are more.
The top lights pick up motion.
Seems like there's a lot of lights coming up on that thing. Let me turn this. What we're looking at is the. Yeah, the camera still won't pick it up. Oh yeah, it kind of does. You see there's little blue lights on the laser grid device. And the bright white upper band picks up motion, and it actually lit up on the right hand side, which might have been, maybe something peeked around the hallway or something.
That was a bright flash.
What side did it flash on? I was looking at the phone when it did it.
See where it's shown on the screen?
Yeah, it's like directly in the center. Like it's.
There's a flash in the corner, like something moved from the corner to the center.
It's like getting bigger. Are you coming closer? Come on down. You don't have to be afraid or anything. We're just here to talk to you. We're not going to hurt you or anything. We're nice guys. This is a nice church. Oh. Were you a part of the church? You want to come in and say a prayer? That's pretty cool. You have to recalibrate that device every once in a while to like adjust for temperature changes, or does it kind of do it itself?
Yeah. Gotta readjust it every once in a while.
Yeah, fuck is that? It's loud as shit already.
I'm right beside you.
You're right beside who?
Move over. My seat?
Your seat. Who's the
I
man?
wouldn't sit there.
Who's the man who said hello to us earlier? Oh shit, it's lighting up all now on that damn device. Showing motion. Come on down and talk to us. Man, it's showing motion all over the place now. As soon as he started.
I'm playing hide and seek. My name is Patrick.
Hi, Patrick. How are you? My name is Paul.
I came on in.
Come on in. That's funny. I came on in and look, it's lighting up like crazy. Holy shit.
Your friend's dead?
What friend? I'm gonna turn it back on.
No, damn, it said heart attack.
Oh shit. Yeah, unfortunately, we did have a friend who passed away.
I was joking.
Jesus. Patrick, how old are you? Really, get up and come over and stuff.
What the fuck, dude?
Dude, when you started
It was saying, let me use your whole body. That's why I took the headphones off.
when you started the Estes, this fucking top bar just started exploding. Like, I don't
It
know.
said it was coming down here.
Yeah, I know. And when you said that, it lit up like it was coming down here.
It said, let me use your whole body. Take the headphones off.
Like it's just been going crazy on the top bar. I don't know if maybe it.
Click the button on the side. You can reset it.
Which one?
The right button.
Just click it once.
And then click it again.
Say mommy?
I don't know. It said, "Let me use your whole body." I took the fucking headphones off. It's the sensitivity bar on there. And turn it to the right slightly. Not much.
Like, what am I looking for?
You want to just turn it to where it's barely on the screen.
Where nothing is on the screen?
To where, like, nothing or barely anything. Like, it's like right on the threshold, like you would a flashlight. You know what I mean?
Like that? Where it's not.
Yeah, they're probably right there.
That's why we go red and not blue.
It's saying some shit, but hang on. I guess I'll fucking
Yeah, just go with it. Whatever, let it use your body, Austin.
No.
Don't say fuck them headphones.
No, you can't use my body. Alex.
I heard that. Alex. Alex, how old are you? Almost sounded like it said 22 or something before you put that on there. Is there an angry man down here? Or are you not angry? Is there just a man down here? You said hi to us earlier. That was very nice. We heard you. Why do you stay down here? Did you do a lot of work down here? Maintaining the church? Were you a vital part of the congregation? We heard that there's an Alex. You said your name was Alex? Or a name came through and said Alex. Are you here, Alex? And Patrick? Come on down and talk with us. He ain't said nothing in a minute. Where'd you guys go? Did we scare you off?
I'm watching you.
You're watching me. You watching us? Well, how about instead of watching, you come join us? Come talk with us.
This place holds secrets.
Duh, what kind of secrets? Do you know what year it is? What secrets does this place hold? Can you tell us? Or are they a secret?
I'm 25.
25. I did ask earlier how old you were, but is this Patrick or Alex? You're 25, huh? What year were you born? Are you from Maryland? You guys got quiet all of a sudden. Are you guys happy that we're here? Do you like what they've done with the place? Awesome, lady zooming out over there. Caught a snore in there. It's pretty easy to do. You get into a kind of like a trance state. The hell did that say? Oh, nothing on the machine's lighting up anymore. Is there anything you'd like to tell us? Who's the man that stays down here?
There are 5 of us here.
5 of us here. 5 of us here in like the whole church or down here? Can you walk upstairs right above us so we can hear you walk?
I don't have one.
You don't have one. What don't you have?
This is the first time for me.
Are you not used to people asking you stuff to do stuff? You know, we're here just to find out about you. This place is going to open to a lot more investigators that are going to come and want to talk to you. They're going to come talk to you on the weekends, if that's okay. Have you been nice to Miss Morgana? She seems like a nice lady who really cares about this place. You make sure that you're really nice to her. Try not to scare her too much. Are any of you buried in the graves outside? Yeah, not getting much on the other devices that are set up. The laser grid is like, hasn't gone off lately. Since I recalibrated it and all again. And I think Austin might be taking a nap in there. Oh boy. Well, we was getting some stuff down here. Do you like it when people are in here by themselves, alone? All right, well. I'm gonna go scare the shit out of him and wake him up. You alright over there? I think you're taking a nap. Uh-huh. There were some snores in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Some snores involved in that.
Was it really?
Estes, yes. He said, "Well, I think he's taking a nap right now."
I was getting feeling good.
That trance, man. Sometimes that should put you just, especially if you're already tired.
I'm pretty tired.
Oh, Austin's about to sleep for the night soon.
Was it really some snores?
Yeah, there was really some snores.
I was falling asleep in the chair. That's crazy.
Yeah, there was. Well, at one point I thought, oh, he's taking a nap, but then you said something. And I'm like, okay, well,
Must have woke me up.
maybe he wasn't, but yeah, I don't know. Ever since I recalibrated it, nothing has, not even a dot popped up on that thing.
They said they wanted to use my body, and I said no.
That was it. Off. Yeah, they rolled out after that, man. You should have just let them use your body.
No.
Well, I guess we'll figure out what's next. Does seem pretty calm in this room now. At least to me.
You probably left.
Wonder how long I could have just left you and Estes right there.
Until I eventually started sleeping.
What do you mean eventually started sleeping? You was snoring already, man. Jeez. All right. On to the next